Hello everyone, welcome back to Kingdom Animalia, and today we are going to discuss about the chordate phylum. Under that chordate phylum, we have to discuss about Pisces. Pisces means fishes, and these species are classified into two categories based on the internal structure, that is cartilage as well as bone. Cartilage and bone are the endoskeletal structures. Based on the endoskeleton, the fishes can be classified into cartilaginous fishes or chondrichthyes, and the second one is bony fishes or osteichthyes. Let us discuss about chondrichthyes. Chondrichthyes is nothing but cartilaginous fishes. And these cartilaginous fishes kept under the kingdom Animalia, a phylum Chordata, and subphylum Vertebrata, and division Gnathostomata, then superclass Pisces, and finally class is Chondrichthyes. So these are the taxonomic categories of Chondrichthyes. For example, Animalia, animals; Chordata, presence of notochord; Vertebrata, presence of vertebral column; Gnathostomata, presence of jaws; and Pisces are fishes. Then Chondrichthyes means presence of cartilage. So this is the classification of Chondrichthyes. Coming to the general characteristics of Chondrichthyes. The general characteristics of Chondrichthyes, the first point is habitat. Generally, these are marine habitat animals. They live only in salt water, that is marine habitat, and they contain a pair of jaws, and jaws are very powerful. This point should be noted. The powerful jaws are present in the cartilaginous fishes when compared to osteichthyes fishes, and whale sharks are the second largest vertebrate and the largest fish among the animals. Some whale sharks measure up to 15 meters in length. That is why these are the second largest vertebrates. The first largest vertebrates are the blue whales. Next, mouth is always present on ventral side, and then these cartilaginous fishes endoskeleton is made up of with cartilage, as already we discussed. So these are marine fishes. Then jaws are paired with powerful jaws. Then these are the largest second vertebrates, and largest fish also present, that is whale shark, measures approximately 15 meters in length, and mouth is always present on ventral side. Suppose this is a fish, so mouth is located on ventral side. Then they contain cartilaginous endoskeleton. Coming to the next points, that is next characteristics. The notochord is permanent throughout their life. So that is called persistent in their life. So this could be called as present, persistent. In other words, it is also called as persistent or permanent, and most of them contain heterocircle tail. Suppose a fish will have heterocircle fins, that is, it has two lobes, one is bigger, another one is smaller. The presence of the bigger and smaller fins as caudal fins are called as heterocircle fins. So these are the caudal fins. Then skin is covered by minute scales are called as placoid type of scales. and some of these scales are modified into teeth in these animals, and these teeth are not attached to the jawbones. But in the case of higher vertebrates, the teeth are fixed or present or attached to the jawbones, but in this case these are not attached, but they are embedded in the tissues. So, automatically they can detach detach from the tissue, and detached teeth can be replaced by the new teeth obviously, and then they contain 5 to 7 pairs of gills for respiration. So, gaseous respiration exchange takes place through the water current that passes over the gills, and these gills do not have opercula, and these are opened as usual, and then they do not have air bladders. So, due to absence of air bladder, these animals should be swim continuously to survive themselves, otherwise they will die. But whereas in the Osteichthyes, they will have air bladder and they can swim their wish. Coming to the next points, that is the nervous system. Nervous system is having a well developed sense organs, and 10 pairs of spinal nerves are present, and it also has sensory cells in the lateral line sense organs. This is an important characteristic present in the fishes. Lateral line sense organ is useful for the detect the kinds of vibration present in the water, and motion, help in the water present identification by the lateral line sense organ. I am repeating the same point. Lateral line sense organ helps in the, if the vibration occur in the water, the motion occur in the water, and pressure occur in the water from the surrounding medium, that will be identified by lateral line sense organs. And next point, the body temperature. The body temperature of the fishes, mostly either Chondrichthyes or Osteichthyes or the poikilotherms. Poikilotherms means cold blooded animals, which the animals cannot modify their body temperature. So, there is no modifications, that means they lack the capacity to regulate their internal body temperature. Hence, these are the cold blooded animals or poikilotherms. And then they are predatory fishes, they can eat, they will eat other fishes. So, they are the predatory fishes and they feed on other fishes. Then crustaceans and mollusks are also the animals as a feed for these fishes apart from the fishes, and they filter the food particles with the help of the structures present in the gills, pharynx and mouth. So, these food particles like also planktons, if present in water, they will be identified and they will be taken into the body. Coming to the next characteristics, circulatory system. In circulatory system, we can observe heart with the two chambers, like one atrium and one ventricle, and they contain brain along with spinal cord. So, the brain and spinal cord is protected by skull as well as vertebrae. So, they have well developed nervous system and they have a special type of characteristics. These special type of characteristics should remember for any entrance examinations, especially they possess electric organs or poisonous stings, or the two structures present in different animals of sharks are in the chondrichthyes animals for the attacking the predator animals. So, they help in the defense mechanism. So, this defense mechanism is present in these animals like having electric organs and poisonous sting. Of course, poisonous sting is also found in the insects, especially arthropods, okay, like scorpion and insects like honeybees also. Just like that, the poisonous sting is also present in these animals. Next, the digestive system. The digestive system includes mouth, pharynx, stomach, intestine, that is a straight intestine, not curved or circled intestine. So, they open into, that means the mouth pharynx opens into pharynx, pharynx opens into stomach, then stomach opens into intestine. The stomach, intestine opens into a cloaca. This is special structure which is present in the lower vertebrates. This cloaca will be used for the excretion, reproduction. Especially the cloaca will help in the female animals as dual mode of actions. For example, they will reproduce, that means they will release their eggs through cloaca and they will excrete waste products like nitrogenous waste product, that is urea. Urea in the cartilaginous fishes and ammonia in the osteichthyes fishes. Coming to the next points like reproduction. Male and females are separate and they have internal fertilization, and especially skate animals and some sharks are the animals, they lay eggs. So, these are the oviparous animals, and most of the sharks are ovoviviparous animals. Ovoviviparous means they will have eggs. Inside the eggs there is a underdeveloped organism. That underdeveloped, that is incompletely developed organism present inside the shell of egg, that is called ovoviviparous, and few are viviparous. They can give birth to young ones directly by some sharks. Then adult males, this is also a special characteristic which is present in these animals only, that is adult males bear a pair of claspers on their pelvic fins. Yeah, we can observe this is a shark, male shark. In this male shark there are a pair of claspers, and these claspers are meant for the reproduction to release sperms into the cloaca of female organism. Next one, examples for a chondrichthyes. Some of the prominent examples are given here for the cartilaginous fishes. For example, sharks, rays, skates and sawfishes. There are chimeria, okay, and these are the animals we can observe in our textbook also, okay, right. These are the, this is Scoliodon, or shark, and this is sawfish. The saw-like structure is present on the mouth. This is the structure look like saw, and this is priestis, and this is torpedo, which is having electric rays, also called as electric rays, and this is trigon, that is stingray. So, these are the animals we can study under this class, that is Chondrichthyes. Let me show examples. Sharks. There are different sharks like Scoliodon, commonly called as dogfish, Rhinodon, commonly called as whale shark, and Carcharodon, that is a great white shark. Next, race. Trigon is a stingray, Torpedo is the electric ray, Northern Bancroft is the lesser electric ray, Manta is manta ray. So, these are the sharks and rays. Next one, skates. Skates are Leucoraja erinacea, that is a little skate. Next, Cruriraja andamanica, that is Andaman leg skate. Then Gurgasiella, that is small deep water skate. Then sawfishes. Sawfishes are the Priestes clavata, that is dwarf or small sawfish. The next one, Anaxapritis cuspidata, that is narrow sawfish. Next examples, chimeras. Chimeras, the Hydrolagus alphus, that is a white spot goat shark. Next, Calorhynchus milli, Australian ghost shark. Chimera argiloba, that is a white fin chimeras. So, these are the examples, and we have discussed today about general characteristics of Chondrichthyes, examples and special characteristics of this class. So, thank you for this session, and we will meet again in the next session. Thank you.